I be so sick, you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out.
Hey my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking one of my videos once again. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, welcome. I hope that you like it, I hope that you stay. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you what I eat in a day with slimming wires. If you're new here and you don't know, welcome. I got slimming wires a few days ago. I am now getting used to it, and I kind of even like forget sometimes that I even have slimming wires. Like, it's not in my head like that anymore. But today I'm going to show you what I'll be eating, or what I eat. I am having liquids only because obviously I cannot open my mouth. Like, my jaw moves, but it still doesn't open. Like, this is completely closed, and then that's open. So even if it moves a bit, but I still can't open, I still can't eat. I am running away from eating a lot, guys. This is for people who do not have discipline, and I am one of them. I'm not disciplining. I don't have a stop. There's weeks whereby I think I've even gotten better as I grew older, because when I was growing up I used to eat a lot. Like, if you knew me like 5 years ago, or even 6-7 years ago, you know me, whether it's food, you'll find me there. But then as I grow older, obviously things change. So I have weeks or months whereby I don't eat at all. Like, I can go an entire day without eating because I don't understand why we should eat, blah 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 blah. And then some days go till about 1 p.m. to like 5. In fact, I'm hungry for my 6th meal, and obviously it's not like I'm eating healthy. But anyway, without further ado and yapping way too much, let's get into this video. I really want to make a voiceover for this particular video because I have a lot to say. I have so much to say about this entire thing, the process and everything that I eat, and each and everything that I choose to eat. But because I have these things in my mouth, I can't speak for too long or even focus. So to avoid a lot of rambling, I'm just going to let you watch the video with some background music. I hope that you enjoy it. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and share it with your friends and famza. Thank you so much.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now that outdo me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the millions come plural. I'm living by morals, we swiping and keeping no word. Explorer, I'm young and I'm turned, I got bitches galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case if you merging. My young niggas kill, get away, they be virgin. It happen like this, I ain't do it on purpose. I'm working my move, nigga, who from you working? I turned on my crew, bought a coupe off a version. I'm tired of these strippers, I'm pouring that nurses and doctors and dentists. You started, I finished, I told you we with it. My word is like gold in my city, I tell them to go, they gon' get it. I heard that you froze when they hit it. Putting these hoes in the business, you know that you trippin'. I tell them no, they gon' listen. Knowing these niggas be sweet and some bitches, I'm different. She tryna leave me, I'm low down. I hang with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through the low car, the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor up. I'm getting sick of this shit, post some more up. Yeah, cullin' and shouting, my driving ain't solid. I keep it on point, make sure nobody follow us. I got a Glock with a shot that can stop a truck. I get the money, ain't way like an octopus. Go in hell, I'ma give all these choppers up. Team full of players, ain't nobody stopping us. We got a line, give a fuck, then we poppin' them. Been raising hell back in school, I was poppin' them. Yeah, all of my hoes get fast, she fast. Making my bitch too much, she lazy. I was thinking price too high and I raised it. Shit in my bank account getting outraged. Niggas spend a lot, they had to switch up my phrase. And I'm sitting outside till the fouls get flamed. Switch up my route to the house, had to change. Still with this shit, I forget that I'm straight. Tryna leave me, I'm low down. I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. I do the low, got the plug, I need more pounds. I put on trip every day from the floor.
I'm surprised that it actually tastes good. Like, it actually tastes good. The time now is 30 p.m. and I'm still not hungry since the last smoothie I had in the morning. So this is what I'm going to have. I want to show you how I actually eat this. Let's see if I can do that. So I haven't had anything else to eat since I had that smoothie in the morning, and I was so full. I was like, there's no way I'm supposed to be this full after having this smoothie. I think it's the oats. I don't know what. Maybe the oats. I don't know what else. But the time now is 3, like I said, and I haven't had anything to eat, and I'm avoiding to get migraines. I get migraines, and if you know, sometimes you get to a point where you get nauseous and vomit. That's what happened to me on Monday, so I don't want it to happen again. So even if I'm not extremely hungry, but because I went a long time without eating, I eat just so I don't get a headache. So I've already opened it. I tried to lick, but I can't. So instead of licking, I just I do this and then I eat. So I just want to show you how I eat. The things we do. My spoon can't be full because obviously it will get messy, and I hate having food on my lips, especially because I can't lick it off. So I try by all means to not have anything here. So this is how much I take, and then I open my mouth. Clean. Clean. And one thing that I hate, shame, so far, or something that I hate in general, is having to prepare something to eat every time when I want to eat. Like, why can't I just have, for instance, if I did not have steaming wires, I was going to cook, and then maybe when I want to eat again, I can just warm up my food and eat, or I can just have bread and eggs and eat. Now I have to chop and blend every time. Like, every time. I'm even considering getting maybe 6 or 12 pack of Yuki-Sips, because they actually fill me up. I had them yesterday and the other day. They fill me up, but I don't think it's a healthy alternative. Sonji. But one thing that I think I will in due time try, maybe in a week or 2 weeks, or I don't know, soup. At the moment, and soup, like, I'm not craving it now. So, but I did see some people on TikTok that have slimming wires that they buy soup. The soup is it soup in a cup or cup in a soup? No, it can't be cup in a soup. But Leana, I don't know if it's knorr. Yeah, lega knorr. Is it knorr or no? But Yona, the one that you just put boiling water and then it'll be right here. You don't have to cook it. So I will do it, but not now. But one thing I am not doing is blending inyama, because the whole point is for me to not eat. I don't want to eat, especially inyama. And I don't want to have any fat. I don't want to have salty stuff and sugary stuff too, but we can do with this. Even on my smoothies, I don't add sugar. Okay, I'm just going to stop talking here because it's getting uncomfortable when I speak on YouTube, on a video rather, because I raise my voice compared to when I normally speak. So for the video, I raise my voice a bit, so it's a bit uncomfortable, and I know that it's also uncomfortable to watch. So let's see what I have later on in the day. I am going to make a different smoothie. I bought spinach a few days ago, and spinach is some so I think I'll be having green smoothies until the spinach is some, because andifuna usimosha abantu ngiyaqamba usebenzisa. So see you now. Okay, so immediately after having that yogurt, I felt very hungry, so I'm freestyling here. I put there's 2 apples, strawberries, cucumber, and a whole banana. So I'm going to add water and milk. I won't add yogurt or oats or any other thing. So this is my, okay, let's say the yogurt was a snack. Okay, why and bowl? Where's the sun? Yes. This is what I'm talking about. So let's say the yogurt was a snack and this is my second meal or drink of the day. Honestly, a smoothie fills me up. I don't know which ingredient exactly because it's a smoothie that fills me up, but each time when I have it, like, I become very full. Sometimes I have 2 cups. So if you remember, I poured some here in the morning and I also had it at that time. So I had laid it up and then I added some too. Okay, so in the kitchen I don't have, let me actually see it. In the kitchen I do not have this equivalent of this thing. So every time when I blend, I have to come, can you see me? I have to come to the bedroom, hence why I couldn't show you in the morning. I feel like you can see better now. I also didn't add milk because I felt like it's putting me back a bit because it's full cream milk and we're trying to lose some weight at the end of the day. So let's go. Why the hell are you not moving? Did I put little water? I think I did. I saw the laptop up the sun. Otherwise, it's very taller. Okay. It's too weak. This is not the consistency I want, but I don't have a choice, so let's keep going. What the hell? Oh, it's not closed. I'm sorry. I also don't like the color, like why inch? I think it looks like this because I put too much apples. Because I put 2 apples, and I did that because I have so many apples. So literally each and every smoothie that I make will have at least 1 or 2 apples, but not half or nothing at all. Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Why is it leaking? Are you leaking? It's not blended correctly. So now, a huge chunk of your apple. Another one. What the hell? Oh, this is banana, but it's not like blended. This might just be my last smoothie of the day. At this time, I had little to no energy. Guys, I'm a morning person. I strive in the morning and during the day. That's why most of my videos end during the day. So here, the only thing that I wanted was to sleep. But I was just showing you that I had Weet-Bix and some green tea for dinner or supper. Bandla, it's at night and I'm now on my neck. This brings us to the end of the video. Until next time, bye.